Hello, hello.
All right, guys, we'll begin with our Shanivar Manch today. Can I request you all to kindly settle down? I will repeat a few instructions again. Kindly wear your mask at all time and sit alternately. Leave a seat between each other of you. There's an emergency exit to my left, and the one that you enter as well is an emergency exit. So, if in case of any emergency, those are your exits. There's food and drinks are not allowed at all times in the auditorium. I repeat, food and drinks are not allowed at all time.
वर्षा मोड चेंज हुआ मोड चेंज कर व्यू मोड चेंज कर यहाँ पे व्यू चेंज हुआ ना व्यू तेरा सेटिंग चेंज हुआ कुछ तो फुल स्क्रीन व्यू कर
I request everyone to please put your phones on silent.
Try your luck and take a chance. Get for the risks in this moment. Take my hand and break my heart. I'll never walk this road again. Stumbling steps grow to a dance where things change forever. There's no regrets, only the past. Will I change? Never. So swing me around, take me down. You won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim. So swing me around, take me down. You won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim. We barely know you hurt, I grow, I rock, you roll, we steal the show. I lock, you load, we lose control. I won't be held responsible. Run to the hills, leave love behind. Let's lose all concepts of time. I'll take the yours and make it mine. Loving me, myself, and I. So swing me around, take me down. You won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim. So swing me around, take me
All right, guys, we'll begin with our Shanivar Manch today. First of all, a very warm welcome to all of you present here, faculty members, students, and you as a whole, our audience. We are very excited to be here for our first ever, I repeat, first ever offline Shanivar Manch. And I know you guys are equally excited. And all right, you are. Thank you so much. And let me just say, we have been seeing the mocks of our Shanivar Manch, and it is packed with a lot of performances and a lot of really, 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 really good performances.
Hey guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. My name is Gunjan Naik and I am from FYBA MMC. I am very excited to be a part of this Shanivar Manch, which is packed with a lot of amazing performances.
And I am Jaden Dias from Student Council, and I'm along with Gunjan, are your host today. So we hope you enjoy and you cheer for your performers over here. Shanivar Manch, in the basic sense, a munch for our students' talents, right? We all know that, and we all are here for that. And I hope you will be encouraging our performers today.
Jaden, on the scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you for today's event?
Honestly, Gunjan, I don't think so. My excitement can be measured on any scale for that matter, nor do I think the audience's excitement can be measured.
That's true. I'm sure everybody over here is equally excited. So, without any further ado, let's begin.
I would like to welcome our Vice Principal, Mr. Vijay Gaude, sir, on stage to say a few words to us. Can we have a round of applause for him?
So don't worry. Few words he has said already. So I will have few words only. First of all, welcome you all. And I think after almost 2 years, 3 months are remaining. Because March 2020 we started with lockdown, and March 21 March 22 we will complete 2 years. So almost 2 years are completed, and we didn't have a offline program, and that too student council, which is always having a program every week, that is Shanivar Manch, and in between that there are so many other programs are happening throughout year, and we were habitual, or we can say all the teachers as well as students are part of the program, but teachers they are enjoying sometime watching the program, and it was missing for last 2 years. Yeah, obviously the enthusiasm was not less, because everyone was trying at their level best to provide some programs on online mode. But I think when offline is there, there is some different atmosphere, feelings, emotions are there, and that's why we all were waiting for offline mode program, and this is the first program in offline mode. So I give my all the best to student council member, as well as welcome you all once again. And I think we hope that this thing will continue forever without any other disturbance or hurdles in future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It was really great to hear from you. And all of us are very excited to be back on campus.
So moving forward, we all know Shanivar Manch what is, but I'm going to give an opportunity to our Shanivar Manch secretary, Anupam Adab, to explain you all and also to introduce himself to you. Please welcome on stage Anupam Adab, Shanivar Manch secretary 21-22.
So, a very good afternoon to everyone present here, my respected professors and my dear friends. I am Anupam Adak, and I am the Shanivar Manch secretary for this academic year. Well, it feels so lively to be back here after a really long time. And yes, I'm even sure that even you guys have been waited कि कभी college शुरू होगा and when we'll be enjoying our events. Well, yes, we are back with our very first offline Shanivar Manch. So, I can see a lot of new faces over here. So, let me give you a brief about what is Shanivar Manch to our new students. Well, Shanivar Manch is our weekly event which we conduct every Saturday. That's why it is called as the Shanivar Manch, okay? And we conduct a lot of fun events. It's like we give you opportunity to showcase your talents in front of audience and everyone. And you can definitely participate in front of the audience and everyone. Yeah, and to all my dear participants who are going to perform today, all the very best. You guys gonna kill it. Can I get some noise?
That's our Shanivar Manch secretary for you guys. Give it up for Anupam. So guys, we're going to begin with our performances, and buckle in.
Jaden, what do you think do we have in store for our audience?
Well, it is for them to see and experience, Gunjan.
Yes. So now, to present in front of you all, comes Sumit Bogan from FYBAMS and Rashi. Please give it up for them, guys.
Check.
Check. जिंदगी में की है कैसी साजिशें पूरी रहमत तेरी ये फितूर मेरा मैंने बदला रे मेरा नसीब ये फितूर मेरा चाहत तेरी ओ परवरदिगारा
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sumit and Rashi, for that amazing performance.
Now we have Swarupa from from SY BAF to perform on a very wonderful song. So let's give it up for her.
No. Moment, guys. All right, sorry for the technical difficulty in the middle. Once again, please give it up for Swarupa from SY BAF.
ज्वानी ऐन भरात आले मस्त अंगुरी रात प्याले मदनाची रूप सुंदरा जणू इंद्राची अप्सरा गुलजार नार देखणी नखरेला कटक चांदणी ए ढोलकीच्या नादाला घुंगरू झालं बेभान नाच नाचून आला ग थकवा मला फिरतीच्या झुल्यात झुलवा राया फिरतीच्या झुल्यात झुलवा अन इश्काचा गुलखंद केलवा मला फिरतीच्या झुल्यात झुलवा राया फिरतीच्या झुल्यात झुलवा अन इश्काचा गुलखंद केलवा घड़ी हुक चुक थोड़ी थोड़ी हुक चुक शोर मचाए रे हाय मेरी चुनरी भी सर की जाए रे घड़ी घड़ी हुक चुक थोड़ी थोड़ी हुक चुक शोर मचाए रे हाय मेरी चुनरी भी सर की जाए रे
तेरी लगे तेरी क्यों चोरी लड़की कमर तेरी क्यों चोरी तो हुआ तुझे चोरी चोरी
हाय रे मला लागली कुणाची चिट्टी हाय मला लागली कुणाची चिट्टी हाय मला लागली कुणाची चिट्टी
Thank you, Swarupa, for that amazing performance. Honestly, I was also dancing backstage. I'm going to admit that. And I'm sure when you guys were all tapping your feet. So that was a really great performance. Thank you.
And also, it is said that dance is the hidden language of the soul. And Swarupa's performance indeed said it all.
All right. Performance, performance, performance. Let's take our next one. All right. So we have Shashank from SYBA MMC coming up with a wonderful song. Please welcome Shashank from SYBA MMC. That's the way. That's what we want.
Hello. So hi, I am Shashank from SYBAMMC. आवाज येतोय? So I hope you like this song. Loser, mic loser, mic loser. So hope you like this song. I've written this song and it is still unreleased. So you guys are the first one to hear. Is my uke audible? आँखों आँखों में ये बात कैसी हो रही मुस्कुराई वो तो जवाब हो. Thank you.
Just when I think that the bar is set high, we as ITians raise it higher. Give it up for Shashank.
All right. So Shanivar Manch is known for the performances. I think that's established very well here. But it's also known for the games that we have with our audience. So we are going to play a game with our audience. And there's another game upcoming with the professors who are present here. So first we are going to call, I'll explain you the rules of the game. As you can see, the name of the game is called Heads Up. And we are going to call two people here, anyone from the audience. One is going to stand on the stage, and the other one has to stand down and guess and enact the movie on the slideshow to the person standing here. And the person standing here has to guess it. All right? So I need two people. Let's go with round one. I need two people from the audience. All right, yeah, one. I need another one.
Come on, guys, it will be fun.
Don't worry, it's really simple. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, you. Your name? Karan. All right, and you? Nikhil. So, Karan, you go on stage. Face the
Cheers
audience.
for Karan.
All right. And can we have the first movie? You can't look it. All right. You have to enact it and explain it without using it.
Scissor. Cut. Cut. Break up. Disconnection. Disconnection.
Okay, anyone from the audience who wants to come down here and give it a try? Anyone? Okay, I guess Dada is not coming today, so that's fine. All right, so that's time up. No problem. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Two words. First word. Second word. Okay. One. First word में 9 letters हैं. First. 1. 9. 199. 1992. 1992. Return. Phone. Camera. 1982. 1992. CA 1992.
All right. The movie name is Scam 1992.
A scam, okay.
You all did good. You all did good. Thank you. Thank you, teachers. Okay, can we have our next two? We need two people. Don't take names. You all should come down on your own. Screen change. Okay. Don't change the screen until I get the participants here. Are you all performing? Who wants to go on stage to guess? Okay. All right.
Thank you.
All right. Can we have the movie? The third one.
Circle. Superstar. Circle. First word. First word S.
Okay, you all are going to literally all the letters. That's not allowed. Okay. That's time up for you. Anyone else wants to give a try from the audience? All right, they don't want to come up. They'll come up in the next round.
రావుడిరతుడని చింతత సింగం कौन सा अक्षय कुमार वाली मूवी कौन सी अक्षय कुमार की कौन सी मूवी
All right. Don't speak anything. That's okay. That's all right. You can look back, and the movie's name is Suryavanshi. All right. Thank you, guys.
So now for the next round, we need two more people to come up here. Anybody?
All right. Two people. Okay, convince your friends, and then even you all come along. Yes, please. Okay, who wants to guess and who wants to enact? Your good name? Akash. And yours? Afia. You can stand here so they all can see. Thank you. All right, ready? Just face the audience. Can we have the next movie?
चुप चुप के आइस Men in Black. Black. Blind. अंधाधुन.
That's right. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, again, due to. Alright. Thank you for playing that game with us. Due to technical difficulties, the last one got showed. No problem. We have the one coming up with professors. You all will enjoy that, I know.
I think we have had quite fun until now. सुरीली आवाज सुन ली, graceful dance performance भी देख लिया. अब क्या देखना बाकी है?
अब जो performance होने वाली है, it's gonna blow your mind.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yes, क्योंकि अब वेस्टर्न म्यूजिक से ताल मिलाने आ रहा है ऋषि फ्रॉम FYBBI. We will just give him 2 minutes to set up quickly. I hope that's not a problem with you all. All right, once again, please give it up for Rishi. Please give it up for Rishi.
जो तेरी खातिर तड़पे पहले से ही क्या उसे तड़पाना ओ जालिमा जो तेरे इश्क में बहका पहले से ही क्या उसे बहकाना ओ जालिमा आंखें मरहबा बातें मरहबा मैं सौ मर्तबा दीवाना हुआ मेरा ना रहा जब से दिल मेरा तेरे हुस्न का निशाना हुआ जिस
The appreciation from the audience says it all about this performance. Let's once again cheer for him.
Thank you, Rishi, for the amazing performance. And keeping up, again, performance. We have Sunny Langi from TYBSCIT, along with Rashi from SYBMMC, coming up with a bit of a different performance, and I know you all are going to enjoy it. So please give it up for them.
Check. What's up, VSIT? चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
काश यूं होता।
No, it's not working. Please, mic check.
Hello.
Okay. Are you ready? चलिए।
है काश यूं होता। हर शाम साथ तू होता। चुपचाप दिल ना यूं रोता। हर शाम साथ तू होता। गुजारा हूँ तेरे बिन गुजारा, अब है मुश्किल लगता। नजारा हूँ तेरे बिन नजारा, अब हर दिन है लगता। हाले दिल तुझको सुनाता, दिल अगर ये बोल पाता, बाखुदा तुझको है चाहता जा। ओ तेरे संग जो पल बिताता,
Thank you.
What a wonderful performance it was.
Give it up for them. All right.
अब ऑडियंस के साथ तो गेम्स खेल लिए, अब बारी है हमारे प्रोफेसर्स की.
As promised, so the stage is here. All right. Are our performers ready? Let's go for round one. Okay, I'll explain you the rules of the game. Okay, great. So I hope everyone knows the rules of the games. All right. I need one professor on stage. One on stage, one. No. Okay, and can we have the first movie? Hindi. Hindi. English. Okay. The first part. Pehle. Second part. Okay. 30. 30. तीस मारा नहीं बजरंग बली तीस सुपरमैन सुपर 30 सुपरमैन 3 नहीं आयरन मैन 3 नहीं सुपर नहीं भगा दो 30 हाँ सुपर 30 सुपर 30 सुपर 30 सुपर 30
That was a very interesting round.
Thank you, sir. All right. For our next round, we need 2 professors again.
I think ma'am should come up.
Ma'am will definitely do a round. Shreya, sir. Okay, and ma'am. All right. Ready, sir, ma'am? Okay, can we have the next movie?
Hindi. 2 words. First. Ice cream. Ola. Golmaal. Gola. T-shirt. हाथ कपड़ा क्लोथ bones what is this you are showing Color. Hair color. Black. Kala. So first word is kala. Throne. Pheka. Ball. Ball. सर फोड़ा. इसको मारने वाले को क्या बोलते हैं? मारने को क्या बोलते हैं? इस एक्टिविटी को क्या बोलते हैं? थ्रोइंग. थ्रो बॉल क्या बोलते हैं? ये फोन रखा और फेंक दिया. शाबाशी. शाबाशी को इंग्लिश में. शाबाशी को इंग्लिश में. एक काम करो, पूरा ऑडिटोरियम दिखाओ भी क्या. पत्थर. काला पत्थर.
Thank you, Shreya sir. Thank you, ma'am. All right. I remember there being more teachers in the audience in that corner, and I don't see them now. Guy, मेरा क्या? So I remember teachers over there. ठीक है? Any more professors, sir, ma'am, sir? Professors. I need 2 professors. All right. Okay, we have ma'am, Hitvi ma'am and Santosh sir. All right, Hetvi ma'am is going to guess and Santosh sir is going to enact the movie.
Thank you. खाना. प्लेट. हिंदी है कि इंग्लिश था? हिंदी. हिंदी. इंग्लिश. ओके. खाना किस में होता है? टिफिन. और टिफिन स्टैंडी का डब्बा. टिफिन बॉक्स. इंग्लिश. टिफिन. टिफिन बॉक्स. टिफिन बॉक्स. तो बॉक्स चाहिए. ओके. बॉक्स. ब्लॉक. बॉक्स. टाइम. Sorry, sir. Time of lunch. Lunch box.
Thank you, Santosh sir. Okay, we do have another round to go. And no. I won't say no, ma'am. And
Yes, we want
so,
ma'am.
the audience is also requesting it. Ma'am, you wait here. You wait here. Ma'am, you enact it and so can guess it. Okay, any students? Two students. Yes. Please come. All right, she's coming and I need another student. Okay, Yash. Okay, your name?
Al-Shifa.
Okay. And Yash. Okay, you want to guess? All right. You are there.
Thank you.
All right. And the next movie?
Hindi. Two words. Hindi. हाँ. L. First word. हाँ. Hindi में. हाँ. It's not doing. Another. Hindi. Yeah, Hindi. पढ़ाई. इंग्लिश में. फर्स्ट वर्ड पढ़ाई. हिंदी में ना पढ़ाई. हिंदी में पढ़ाई ना. हाँ. कपड़ा. इंग्लिश मीडियम. हिंदी मीडियम.
All right, all right. If you can't guess it, look back.
हिंदी मीडियम बोला उसको मैंने.
Bola?
हाँ. सुनी नहीं उसने.
You all guessed it? Congratulations. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay. Thank you guys for playing that game with us. Also, a very big thank you to our professors. Okay, okay, we have another round. All right, great. All right.
Thank you. Okay, can I remove this? Can I remove this? Hello? Datta?
उसने बोला तेरे को
Datta तू येतो? दिखा है मुझे. तू guess कर. मी सांगणार. ओके. थोड़ा लाइट बढ़ाओ यहाँ पे. ओके. हिंदी. 4 words. 4 letters or 4 words? 4 letters. 4 words. Okay. तुझी माझी यारी. हिंदी राइट. मेरा दिल तेरे पास है. तुम हम आपके हैं कौन. दिल दे चुके सनम. दिल. हार्ट. हृदय. प्यार. लव. हार्ट अटैक. हात काढ. ती कुठे काय करते? दिल 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 ओके दिल हार्ट प्यार लव प्रेम प्रेम मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ मैं ओके मंगलसूत्र प्रेम धन प्रेम रतन धन पायो. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. All right, guys, moving forward. Thank you so much to everyone. We'll move forward with the performances and let's keep up with these high spirits and graciously welcome Mithilesh, and joining her is Sunny with his guitar.
Please put your hands together for Mithilesh and Sunny. Let's give it up for Sunny and Mithilesh. अब सोलो परफॉर्मेंसेस तो बहुत देख लिए. Let's have a duo perform for us.
Please welcome on stage Mrunmay Jadhav and Samiksha Hariyan. Give it up for them, guys.
मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़िया दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़िया दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है ढोंगी सा ये बड़ा डिट है वायरल हो गया ये ट्वीट
पर फूल फूल करने में कूल तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है शक्ल तेरी की लगन तेरी की हमने गर्दन यारी है
नचते ने सारे
नचते ने सारे
नचते ने सारे
नचते ने सारे
कसमानो खाने
मैं डालू डाल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा वाले अरे रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मैं कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे है तुम लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरा रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल जानी कर ले गल्ला कूड़ियां मुझे बड़ा तड़पावे तू दिख तो अज भी दिल पर कोई ये तीर जंग जल जावे कर दे बिन पिए सा भी चेहरा तेरा गुलाबी कोई क्यों ना यमला बन जावे जो इतनी होवे ताबी हेलो हेलो दिल से कनेक्ट करना येलो येलो ये बातें डायरेक्ट करना
All right, guys, the cheers from the audience says it all. Thank you, Mrunmay and Samiksha, for a wonderful performance. Coming up next is Rashi. I know you all have all heard her twice already, but this is her solo performance. Please give it up for Rashi.
Hello, good afternoon, guys. My name is Rashi Damdere, and I'm the FEMC from SYBAMMC. So, yeah, Anupam, can I get the beat?
Ain't a ball like me
Ayo, it's your girl Rashi. राशि मेरे नाम का अर्थ धन है धन नहीं है मेरे पास कलम ये गन है हाथ की सफाई बोलिया तो फिर कारीगिरी बम्बई शहर में किसकी नहीं चलती भाईगिरी इसकी उसकी करना छोड़ चुस्ती फुर्ती खुद में जोश विस्की उड़ते होश बिगड़े खुद से तुझे को दोष बजू का मैं फिफ्थ की बॉम्ब बजू का कौन जो मारा टॉन्ट बजू में हार्ड नहीं मेरा फॉल्ट बातों का सीधा गहरा शॉट आकाश देखो उड़ना ताती बन के पक्षी प्रकाश से सवेरा मन से होती भक्ति ना किसी से आशा ना किसी को बख्शिश निराश भरी सोच तब होती है रंजिश घड़ी की टिक टिक शिक्षित वाइब के लिए बीट हीट बातचीत मुख्तलिफ तकलीफ ना बांटती बात की ये बात नहीं लिखती ना देखूं समय रात दिन न डालती हड़ दूं गिड़ दे उखाड़ दूं काल तू जा रे तू फालतू शब्द पाल तू बन तू पाल तू नशा तेरा उतार दूं घमंड को ते गाड़ दूं शब्दों से चीर फाड़ दूं पर सीधे झाड़ दूं yeah let's go yo check सोए आया एक विचार आके खुली बजरी चार कलम उठा के पन्ने पे लिखी बार्स खुद कहती करते कुछ विशाल मौका मेरी अकी करना चाहता पार लाखों या सवाल कायद साले अजकाल भविष्य को मेरे बूते बिगड़ा खुद भूतकाल उठते भाग दौड़ करूं कुछ ना समझे ऐसे मोड़ परूं हाँ मैं जो भी करूं लगती गलत ना हो कम से ऐसी करना गलत मैं खामोशी की गिरफ्त में ना रुबाते जज्बा खुलते गुलने लगते विचर सारे ना भरोसा किस पे जो साथ रहते हर दिन ना जो सबके बदले किससे पीते ही पिसते जा रहे कटरी जैसे या किश्ते तुम्हारी सोच छोड़ी मैं हिमालय खुद में इतने व्यस्त है करियर देने का वक्त है पहले ना पता था रैप करती जज्बात व्यक्त है पेशा मेरा हिप हॉप मेरे कागजात सब बड़े बढ़िया रस्ते रुकते कदम ये महफिल में चर्चित हर पल में हंसकर सब मिलते पीछे सब जलते लिखते पढ़ते कुछ के बदलने सुकून ढूंढ जिंदगी में जरूरत है ना खत्म ये फ्रीस्टाइल करते भक्ति बातें आई तो समझ में डाल मेरी सारी बात तेरे मगज में डाल मेरी सारी बात तेरे मगज में ये इट्स योर गर्ल राशि थैंक यू सो मच
Give it up once again for Rashi.
VSIT is filled with talent. So now, let's have a huge year for VSITians.
Okay, so we had a lot of dance performance today. We did have an amazing performance now. We are almost at the end. To close our show, we have a face-off. Please welcome Om and Subjit. And they are going to be facing off right here, right now. Please give it up for them.
Set the stage on fire, guys.
Make them noise for the Desi Boys! The Boys! The Boys! Let's go, come on! दुनिया दे दिल ते रूल करांगे एही बाज़ार विच पैरी है हवा तोड़ांगे रमियों दे लुपटा रिकॉर्ड भी लिखांगे इश्क के दबाट नबा हमियानो बिगड़े हैं दिल अपना है शरीफ बना Make some noise for the Desi Boys 1, 2, 3, 4 English ठुमके दिल की रिदम दे मारे जम के Desi Boys सोने मोड़े बन के छाती डोले तन के नचे जम के Desi Boys किसको कहते हैं बदमानी कर लेते हैं अच्छी खासी अपनी तो है जिम्मेदारी जहाँ भी दिखी कुड़ी कवारी उसको घर तक छोड़ जाना आधी रात को लौट के आना बल्ले न्याजा बल्ले कंपनियों की है कमजोरी हम पे खाली करती जोरी अपने पीछे मारा मारी करती है ये दुनिया सारी इनमें देखी है क्या खूबी आ जा इनसे पूछ ले तू भी बल्ले न्याजा बल्ले हम यारो बिगड़े हैं दिल अपना है शरीफ बना Make some noise for the Desi Boys 1, 2, 3, 4 English ठुमके दिल की रिदम दे मारे जम के Desi Boys सोने मोड़े बन के छाती डोले तन के नचे जम के Desi Boys
Now that's how you end in Shaniwar Manch. Please give it up for all the performers of today. Gratitude is a fairest blossom which springs from the soul. And I would like to extend our sincere gratitude to our principal ma'am, Dr. Rohini Kelkar, for all the guidance she has provided with us, followed by our vice principals, Mr. Vijay Gadre sir and Mr. Asif Rampalawala sir. Your support and guidance have helped us shape this event to our success.
We are also very thankful to the Student Council for the successful planning and execution of this event. This event wouldn't have been a success without the constant support that our conveners, Ashwini ma'am, Sabir sir, Shreyas sir, and Sanjay sir have backed us with.
And last but not least, our sincere gratitude to all the performers for their amazing performances, and most importantly, thank you, audience. You guys were the best. You complete Shaniwar Manch.
With this, we come to an end of our first ever offline Shaniwar Manch of this year. I hope we kept you all entertained throughout. Until we meet again, this is us, Jaden and Gunjan, signing off.
Goodbye. Stay safe. Take care.
Get vaccinated, guys.
All right, if you all can leave in a line, don't just rush toward the exits.